Looks like Oren's a regular goldfish. And he's on a dinner date with Pinky. Ah, yes, Pinky. Love is filled with pains. Wait a minute. You're underdressed. You need a tail. Or at least business casual.
Oops.
And we take our dress code very seriously. Get her, Octi! Yeah, this 8-leg special's on the house. Well, slime doesn't get any fresher than this. A beauty box? Wow, it certainly has good timing. Now that's what I call an undersea treasure. A brush. Turns out they're not just for teeth. This one will really help spread out that cover-up. Probably should avoid the lips. That's why there's lipstick. And we wouldn't say no to a little rouge. After all, pink is her signature color. Oh, Octi wants to help. Or wants a makeover. He doesn't need it. But you sure need to blend. The trick to makeup is looking like you're not wearing it. Beauty is hard work. You've earned a little lunch. And I'd save that wrap. We're gonna need a lot. It's the perfect thing for making a mermaid tail. But we can't be seen without our fins. That's where these paper plates come in handy. Look, it's a little baby narwhal. Might be part pufferfish. You are what you eat, and he sure looks like pink gloop. Why don't we whip you into shape? And add glitter. See? Glitter is the answer to all life's problems. Like constructing a fashionable mermaid's tail. Fish don't normally do nets, but she kind of makes it work. And she could star in her own Little Mermaid ballet. The judges think you're the real queen of the sea. But we're not quite done with the new you just yet. For starters, let's do something about that hair. Wait, don't iron your hair. Use the beauty box.
Okay.
Yes, a dingle hopper. What every mermaid should have. Just run it through your pink locks. And soon, uh-oh. Let's hope there's some kitchen shears in there. Even better, Triton's trident. Because this looks like a job for magic.
Oh, wow!
You've never looked better. And Octi's your crowning glory. And those tentacles add just the right splash of color. Which is another water pun. Just let him sit. And pretty soon, you'll have a bunch of cute curls. Is it me, or does it look even pinker? Okay, now it's time to move on to your wardrobe. Well, fashion's fleeting, but slime is eternal. Where's a laundromat when you need one? Octi's always willing to lend a hand, and he's got 8. And more importantly, he's also got a washing machine. We just need to add our special concoction. Got the recipe from Auntie Ursula. Let the rinse cycle commence. Pretty soon, you'll have a brand new top. Well, at least it'll look like one. Let's stretch it. Oh no, our friends! Told you to be careful around nets. Don't worry, guys. We won't let you be the catch of the day. Besides, we can still put this net to better use. It'll give you just the right texture when adding makeup. All the mermaids just love the classic scale look. With this retro look, you'll look like a real star fish. Still, we should probably toss this net. Wow, I really think our new mermaid friend's starting a trend. And that trend will start sooner than you think. Aw, from one Pinky to another. Wow, looks like Pinky's gone fishing.
Oh?
Well, there's plenty of fish around here. But did anyone expect a big blue shark? Well, at least it wasn't a big blue whale. Either way, he's got a little present for us. Wow, it's beautiful! But let's see how tough it really is. Okay, it's not exactly durable, but hit it harder. We can use them to give you a little extra sparkle. Hit a little harder, and we've got glitter. Aw, so cute.
Oh, wow!
What the? What have you been feeding the sea urchins? Wait, don't touch it. You're a mermaid, not Sleeping Beauty. Here, try this glove. It should help protect you. Just what we need to take out all these needles. Looks like someone has a new hairstyle. In the meantime, we can use the needles to make a crown. Why not add some shells while we're at it? And look, a string of pearls, oyster fresh. It's beautiful. What you waiting for? Try it on. Now you look like true blue underwater royalty. Would you believe she's the girl who's got everything? Of course, even mermaids need to eat. Here's the Siren Special, Huntrix Raw Mune. It's Rumi's favorite flavor. And look, it comes with a special prize inside. I've heard of kissing on the first date, but this is ridiculous. But at least you've got those puffed up lips. Your signature color might be pink, but every mermaid needs a splash of blue. Okay, maybe we could add a little more pink after all. She may be a mermaid, but she's living la vie en rose. Okay, we've got a date with Oren. Talk about plenty of fish in the sea. Except this time, we've reeled one back. Of course, something tells me she caught him. Seriously, you can just see the cartoon hearts in his eyes. Told ya. Hey, if he kisses her, does she turn back into a real girl? I mean, it'd be a waste of a makeover. The demons are throwing a Halloween party tonight. A K-pop demon hunter's costume. They sure are popular. But it's always best to know your audience.
Oops.
Oh no! They're demons! demons! Now, to be fair, the poster did warn us. It gets worse! They brought tomatoes! Ah, watch out! How dare they use noodles for evil! But there's no need to go wiggly on us. Oh, don't cry! The K-pop demon hunters are always here to help.
Wow.
And just think of Mira here as your very own fairy godmother. First things first, let's do something about this hair. Seriously, pink and purple heads just have more fun. But let's try some special mousse. Au natural. Thanks, Gary. Ah, smells just like bikini bottom. Just run it through your hair. Aha! Now doesn't that look slick? Next, why don't we try a nice classic braid? But braids are like pretzels. Go big or go home.
Oops.
Maybe it could use a little something. Aha! Derpy's got the right idea. Let's add some cotton. Soon, you'll have a braid that'll make Rapunzel green with envy. Of course, you are going for Rumi's look. So we need to add a whole lot of purple. Violet is your color. And look, it sparkles. Just make sure you watch your step around here. Well, at least you landed on something yellow. Hey, you okay? Well, just stay where you are. This is the perfect time to draw a silhouette. Looking good. You can get up now. Wow, it's already a perfect likeness. But we're gonna need something to cut things out. Don't worry, Mira's got a sharp touch. It comes with her sharp tongue and razor-sharp wit. Try on your new jacket. Now let's add some cool decor. Who says pop stars can't also rock? But we really need to rock and roll for our next craft. A cool spiky turtle shell shoulder pad. I think we've deserved a little dance break. Really shouldn't leave your weapon unsupervised. Guess when Mira's away, new Rumi will play. Careful where you aim that. Almost gave me a haircut. Hey, hands to yourself and off the cool tool.
Oops.
But your new jean shorts are where it's at. Or is it a skort? Once again, we need to add some Huntrix bling. Just grab an iron and they'll stick to it. Try it on. You already know that it fits. And yet, it still looks better than before. Your fashion's on fire. But let's do something about that skin. Sussy the Magpie has got just the thing. A flashlight. Just wrap it up with foil. Soon, we'll have a brand new Huntrix light stick. Great for concerts. And blasting some blemishes. Aha! Now your skin is as smooth as silk. I think it's time for a little lunch break. Let's see. Candy, ramyun, chips. A demon hunter needs her energy. Ah, there's nothing wrong with switching things up. Though it's always best just to ask first. Especially when you don't know what you're eating. This is why some people add cheese to ramen.
Oops.
Looks like Mira's trying out the Cinderella look.
Wow.
But our new roomie wants some different markings on her face. Just give it time to let those temp tattoos stick.